party, without any third party intervening in. Okay, what do you mean by this? The third party is also called as unauthorized person. It is also called as unauthorized person. Okay, unauthorized person. So even though there is a third party, the third party can gain the access. Okay, so the gaining of the gaining of the access of data. So gaining of the access of the data, it can be done by the third party. So whenever the gaining of the access is done by the third party, that is nothing called as attack. That is called as attack. Okay. So I need to do some. I need to do some or implement some method in which I will be able to cope up this particular scenario, in which there should be no gaining of the, or there should not be any access of the data, or there should not be any attack. Okay. Now whenever third party wants to access this, okay, so whenever the data is transmitted from the sender to the receiver, and third party, that is unauthorized person, wants to gain the access of the data, then it becomes the attack. Okay. Now the third party can gain the access. The third party can gain the access. So can be either of these four, either of these three. पहला intention ये हो सकता है कि the third party just want to have the access, just want to have the access. Okay, just to have the access means he is not doing anything over the data. Over the data, he just reading the data or having the access. Okay, the second can be having the access to modify, to modify, to modify the data, to modify the data. So the third party is not only interested in accessing the data, but after accessing, it is interested to modify the data. Okay, so there can be accessing or only modifying. Okay, or both accessing and modifying. The third can be the third party want to access the data as well as wants to destroy the data, as well as to destroy the data. Okay, so actually the attack is made, the main intention of doing the attack on the data is either of the three: to access only without doing any modification or destroying, the second is modifying with the access, and the third can be access with the destruction of the data, with the destruction of the data. So in both the three intentions, third party is, or the unauthorized person is the person who is doing this attack. Okay, he is called as an unauthorized. And who is called as the authorized person? A receiver is called as the authorized person. The receiver is called as the authorized person. Okay. So in all the data attacks, the scenario remains the same. The scenario remains the same. So, but there is a little bit of modification. Sorry, there is a little bit of the slight changes are there. So what are the different scenarios? I will be telling you. Okay. But the scenario जो दिख रहा है, एक साइड में सेंडर है, दूसरे साइड में रिसीवर है. Receiver is authorized person, but there is a third party which is unauthorized and gaining the access of the data, which is nothing but attack. And gaining of the data can be of different three intentions. Can be only access, can be only modify, that can be only destroy, or can be any of this combination of any of two. Okay, that is the meaning of this attack. Okay.
इकडे मागे बसत दिसते म्हणून आम्ही तिला सीधा त्या साईडला जे पण याचं दिसत नाही. ते नशीबपर्यंत फ्रेम ऍडजस्ट केले
The different algorithms which are used to control the scenario, what is the attack and what are the different three intentions. Okay, now we'll see what are the two categories of attack. There are two categories of attack. Now the second one is called as a passive. Active and passive attack. Now whenever I am saying about the active attack, active the intention is, okay, in this active attack there will be a modification. In this active attack there will be the modification of the data. There will be the modification of the data, okay. And in this passive attack there will be no modification. There will be no modification. That is why it is called as a passive. So passive attack में क्या होता है? The third party or the unauthorized person wants to only gain the access of the data, but without doing any modification. So the passive attack, it is with that is with no modification. That is with no modification. Okay. So active and passive. Okay. Only two types. Okay. So जो पहले सिनेरियो में मैंने बनाया था वो सिनेरियो हम to the passive attack. In the passive attack only we have two types. Okay, so we'll see what are the different methods used in the active attack and passive attack. Okay, so first we'll start with the passive, then we'll go with that. First we'll go with the passive attack. So we'll see the passive attack. So already I have told you in the passive attack no modification. So there is no modification. So what could be the with respect to that, what could be the first one? So there are two techniques in this. In the passive attack there are two techniques, or there are two methods. The first method is called as release the content. Release the content. You have a sender, you have a receiver. So there is a sender, there is a receiver. Okay. Then you have a third party. You can mention third party in bracket unauthorized person. Okay. Unauthorized person. So what could be the scenario? The scenario is simple. Sender sending the data. Sender sending the data means release the content. Sender has released the content. लेकिन third party क्या कर रही है? Third party is access the data by by just listening. Third party is just listening or by some other different technique. Okay, so it is only listening to the data, or just it is also called as eavesdropping. What is the dictionary meaning of eavesdropping? Anyone? What is the dictionary meaning of eavesdropping? Unmute yourself and tell me the dictionary meaning of eavesdropping.
To a conversation.
Listen to the conversation.
Between two people.
Yes. Listening to the conversation without their knowledge. हम चुपके से किसी की बात सुनते हैं. अगर दो बात कर रहे हैं और हम चुपके से अगर सुनते हैं, that is called as eavesdropping. So this technique is also called as eavesdropping. So release the content. The content is released. So as you know that this is a passive attack, there will be no modification. तो इसका सिर्फ काम क्या थर्ड पार्टी का जस्ट सुनने का. So or with some different methods. There can be some other technique to listen to the data. Okay, and that is also called as eavesdropping technique. This is also called as eavesdropping technique. Okay, so here the data flow हो रहा है सेंडर से रिसीवर की तरफ, और इसका काम है सिर्फ सुनने का. Okay, or just having the access of the data without modification. This is also called as eavesdropping. Or eavesdropping can be also by some other technique. It can be also by other technique. But the important thing is there is no modification. Then we have the second type. We have the second type in the passive attack. That is traffic analysis. ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस. ओके, अभी ये जो भी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा आपको, प्लीज कोरिलेट थिंग विद सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स इफ यू नो. दिस इज द डे टू डे एग्जांपल. Do not go with the advanced sum method or advanced examples, but you can just correlate thing with your day to day activity. जैसे कोई अगर आप दोनों अगर कोई बात कर रहा है आप सिर्फ सुन रहे हो, तो that is called as event dropping. That is nothing but the release of the content. अब ये ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस में क्या होता है, ये सी है. ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस में सिनारियो ये सेम ही होता है, सिनारियो सेम ही होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि the third party is observing the traffic flow. It is said as observing the traffic flow. Okay. अब ये थर्ड पार्टी का क्या है, ये थर्ड पार्टी को द थर्ड पार्टी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, इसको इंटरेस्ट है कि दोनों में sending the data to the receiver, that is one traffic. This can be the receiver sending the and whenever the traffic goes on increasing, that means the time of conversation between the sender and receiver is also goes on increasing. Okay, so such type of observing the traffic flow by the third party is called as a traffic analysis. यहाँ पे analysis इसलिए कहा जाता है कि the person करवाती. This also you can correlate with your day-to-day activities. Okay, अगर आपको देखना है कि if your neighbor is talking to someone and the person is talking for a longer time, अब आपको दिख रहा है कि यार वो काफी देर से बात कर रहा है, so that means you are not interested in the data, क्योंकि आपको भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है कि वो क्या बात कर रहा है, लेकिन आपको ये पता चल कहने से you are actually doing the traffic analysis. You are actually doing what is the actual conversation happening, but I am interested in observing the traffic. That is the mean. That is the mean. So in both the cases, in your first release the data, release the content, and in the second case, that is the traffic analysis. In both the cases, your third party is passive. Why it is called as a passive? Because no modification is done over the data. No modification is done over the data. He or she is a silent observer. He or she is a silent observer. Okay, so that is why it is called as a passive attack. This is called as a passive attack. I hope you have understood these two types.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir, understood.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So please try to देखो ये याद में रखने के लिए ना please correlate with your day-to-day activities. जैसे मैंने अभी जो आपको कुछ बताया. Okay, then only it will be kept. It will be properly remembered. Whatever I am saying. Then the next one is we'll be talking about yes, active attack. Okay, we'll be talking about the active attack. अभी एक्टिव अटैक में आपको पता है. Okay, active attack में there is a modification. Okay, so whenever the third party is modifying the data, वो active क्यों है? Because it is not a silent observer the data. He or she wants to modify. We'll go one by one. The first one is called as masquerade. Okay, masquerade. So I will say this masquerade. MOSQUERADE. Masquerade. So इसका सिनेरियो है सेंडर. Now you say this is active. मैं एक्टिव में बात कर रहा हूँ. ओके, तो अभी इसमें एक्चुअली थर्ड पार्टी एक्टिव है. तो एक्चुअली इसमें क्या होता है? एक सेंडर है, ये है रिसीवर, ये है थर्ड पार्टी और अनऑथराइज्ड पर्सन. ओके अभी सिर्फ मैं कुछ बनाऊंगा एंड आई विल आस्क समवन टू टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. I will just ask someone to give me the meaning of this. Okay. Aman Kadam, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
अमन मुझे बताओ ये मैंने बनाया है तो क्या समझ में आया. कैन यू एक्सप्लेन मी व्हाट इज योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
Sir, rather than the sender sending the data, the third party is sending the data, making the receiver believe that the sender has sent the data.
गुड 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 गुड. ये देखो ये ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन है ना आपके इसमें भी आते हैं. यूपीएससी एग्जाम में क्या होता है. यूपीएससी एग्जाम में दे विल गिव यू सम पैसेज. ओके दे विल गिव यू सम पैसेज विदाउट गिविंग द फुल कंटेंट. यानी उसमें देयर विल बी अ इनकम्प्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड आफ्टर द पैसेज यू रीड देयर विल बी सम 5 to 6 questions will be there based on the passage and you have to give the answer. Okay, you have to give the answer in such a manner because the passage will not have the full information, so you have to read between the lines and you have to read between the lines. So these such type of questions are there in the UPSC exam. So अगर मैंने सिर्फ इतना ही बताया आपको and I am asking you tell me कि क्या समझ में आया. So what Aman has said is right. Sender is actually not sending the data. Sender is not actually sending the data. लेकिन थर्ड पार्टी क्या कर रहा है. थर्ड पार्टी क्या कर रहा है. उसका नाम यूज करके मैसेज को भेज रहा है. उसका नाम ये करके मैसेज को भेज रहा है. ओके तो आदित्य आचार.
हाँ सर.
आदित्य मुझे बताओ ऐसा कुछ एग्जांपल दे सकते हो आप. इसके रिलेटेड कुछ एग्जांपल दे सकते हो.
सर ऐसा कुछ हैक करके स्पैम ईमेल टाइप.
हाँ ठीक है. या फिर आप बोल सकते हो कि सपोज आपने किसी का ईमेल आईडी बनाया फेक. हमारे किसी का फेक
हाँ,
ईमेल
सर.
आईडी बनाया और उसका फेक ईमेल आईडी बना के आप किसी को मैसेज भेज रहे हो. तो पर्सन तो ये नहीं देखेगा
हाँ.
ना कि एक्चुअली किसने भेजा है. थर्ड पार्टी ने भेजा है एक्चुअली उसने भेजा है. सिर्फ वो नाम देखेगा एंड ही विल कम टू नो कि वो उसने भेजा है. बराबर है.
हाँ सर.
Okay, you are right. So that is a good example. So here you tell me the impact factor will be more in the active attack or it will be more in the passive attack. The impact factor.
Active attack.
हाँ, your active attack में impact factor will be more. Impact factor will be more. Why impact factor will be more? Because actually there is a modification. There is a modification of the data. अभी सेंडर ने तो कुछ भेजा नहीं लेकिन ये कुछ भेज रहा है. So it is same as sender is not sending anything but there is a message going to the receiver by his name, his or her name. Okay, so that's why it is giving the more impact. So impact factor is more. Okay, impact factor is more. So this is the one which is called as masquerade. This is the first one which is active attack. Okay, which is called as a masquerade. Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे हम क्या बोल सकते हैं. Send what we can say. Receiver will read the data. Receiver will read the data with the name of the sender. The receiver will read the data with the name of the sender in which sender hasn't sent any data. The sender has not sent any data. लेकिन receiver को लगता है कि the sender has sent some data. Okay, but with the participation of the third party, that is unauthorized source. So this is called as the first one. Then we'll go with the second one now. Second one में क्या होता है. The second one is called as replay attack. अब replay attack में क्या होता है. सी है sender, receiver, then you have third party. अभी मैं किसी को पूछता हूँ मुझे बताओ. So I'll be asking, yes, Dhanashri Chauhan. Dhanashri Chauhan. Dhanashri Chauhan, are you there? Okay, Dhanashri is not there. Diksha Makhijani. Diksha Makhijani.
Yes, sir.
Diksha Makhijani, can you tell me the scenario? Can you explain me the scenario?
सर इसमें सेंडर रिसीवर को भी भेज रहा है और सेंडर थर्ड पार्टी को भी भेज रहा है और थर्ड पार्टी रिसीवर को भी सेंड कर रही है.
आपने ये बराबर कहा है कि सेंडर रिसीवर को भेज रहा है.
हाँ, और सेंडर थर्ड पार्टी के भी थ्रू रिसीवर को भेज रहा है.
नहीं, ये रॉन्ग है. ये एनालिसिस रॉन्ग है. सेंडर थर्ड पार्टी को क्यों भेजेगा? बराबर है ना?
हाँ.
ठीक है. दीक्षिता पाटिल.
Yes, sir.
दीक्षिता पाटिल, मुझे बताओ सिनारियो.
Sir, I think the sender is sending the message to the receiver.
Yes.
But
Yes, you are right. हाँ, बताओ.
I think
हाँ.
there's some attack by the third party on the sender, so it accesses
Yes.
the data
Yes.
without any authorization, and then it is like sent by creating a pseudo identity of the sender to the receiver. And
Okay. ठीक है. Okay. You are near to the answer. See here now. The scenario is what? Scenario क्या बता रहा है? Sender receiver को data भेज रहा है. Third party is accessing the data. It is getting the control over the data. Okay. So it will take the data from the sender. It will take the data from the sender, or या फिर that data will be attacked by the third party. After getting that particular data, that data will be modified by the third party. After the modification, that particular data will be sent to the receiver. Okay, by the name of the sender. Okay, now whenever the third party is accessing the data which is sent by the sender and modifying that data and that sending the data towards the receiver. So in this case, receiver is actually receiving two messages. The receiver is receiving with the two messages. One message, the actual message from the sender, and the second message which is modified, but the name of the sender remains the same. क्योंकि थर्ड पार्टी क्या करता है, मॉडिफाई भी करता है और सेंडर का नाम ही लगा देता है. So in that case, receiver is unable to understand which is the actual data and which is the tampered data. Okay. So what I mean to say that the receiver will receive the data. It will receive two data. One is called as actual data, and the other one is called as the tampered data, because it is tampered by the third party. Okay. लेकिन दोनों भी रिसीव मैसेज में सेंडर के नाम रहेंगे. So why it is called as a replay? Anyone? Why it is called as a replay? Why it is called as a replay?
So because the receiver is
दो मेल.
Yes. Because receiver is receiving twice. The receiver is receiving twice data. So it is called as a replay. Okay. It is called as a replay because the receiver receives two data. Okay. Of the same sender. I hope you have understood this.
हेलो सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर जो थर्ड पार्टी के पास सेंडर से डेटा आ रहा है वो थर्ड पार्टी फेच करके ले रहा है, मतलब चुरा रहा है, या फिर क्या हो रहा है उसमें?
वो क्या कर रहा है, वो थर्ड पार्टी क्या कर रहा है, वो सिर्फ he wants to gain the access of the data, but along with the gain of the access of the data he wants to modify also. तो वो चुरा रहा है by different methods. हम methods अब तक नहीं पढ़ रहे, हम सिर्फ पढ़ रहे कि different attacks क्या चीजें होती है. तो हम जब देखेंगे कि attacks के क्या methods है, वो कैसे किया जाता है, because this is a part of the cyber security. उसमें सब सिखाया जाता है कि what are the different methods in which the data can be accessed and what are the techniques in which you can access the data. Okay, तो वो cyber security का है, वो हमारा काम नहीं. या फिर you can say this is a part of the जो hackers है. Okay, so you can consider the third party as a hacker. तो हैकर क्या
Yes, sir.
करता है कि वो डेटा का एक्सेस ले लेता है, उसको मॉडिफाई कर देता है और बाद में रिसीवर को भेजता है। तो रिसीवर को नहीं समझता है कि एक्चुअल डेटा कौन सा है और कौन सा टैम्पर्ड डेटा है, क्योंकि दोनों भी मैसेजेस में सेंडर की ही नाम है। दैट इज
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
ओके ओके। सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ रिप्ले बिकॉज दो बार रिसीवर को डेटा मिला है। दैट इज द मीन। So shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go with the third now. We'll go with the third. The third one is called as data modification. Data modification. So this is as the name suggests, this is the data modification. अभी डेटा मॉडिफिकेशन का सिनेरियो क्या है? सिनेरियो ऐसा है कि ये सेंडर है, ये है रिसीवर, देन यू हैव थर्ड पार्टी, आई वांट एक्सप्लेनेशन फ्रॉम एनी वन ऑफ यू। ये जा रहा है इधर और ये जा रहा है इधर। Savilak, Madhumeti Menon.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मधुमिति मेनन, मुझे बताओ ये सिनारियो जो है ये क्या समझा रहा है?
Sir, the third party is taking the data from the sender and sending it to the receiver in the name of the sender.
And modifying the data.
Yeah, and modifying the data.
So in that case, can you, anything more? Anything more?
The sender is not sending the receiver directly data because the data is being taken by the third party.
हाँ, so you should not say कि sender is not sending. Actually, sender को receiver को ही भेजना है.
हाँ, but the third party is not letting it send directly.
लेकिन क्या हो रहा है? You are right. तो sender को receiver को ही भेजना है. लेकिन ये जो hacker है, the third party unauthorized person, उसने क्या किया है? He is getting the access of the data in such a manner that the sender won't be able to send the data to the receiver. Okay, so it has got the access. डेटा उसने ले लिया, वो डेटा को मॉडिफाई किया, मॉडिफाई करने के बाद फिर रिसीवर को भेज रहा है, मॉडिफाई करके इसको भेज रहा है, बराबर है। तो रिसीवर को एक ही डेटा मिल रहा है और रिसीवर को लग रहा है कि सेंडर ने भेजा। Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is a scenario. Okay, that is a scenario. So this is called as a data modification. ये नाम ही बताता है कि एक्चुअली इसका इंटेंशन ये है कि डेटा को पूरा मॉडिफाई करे और वो पूरा मैसेज मॉडिफाइड मैसेज रिसीवर के पास जाए। सो इन दिस सिनेरियो वन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट सेंडर इज अननोन, सेंडर डजंट नो वेदर द डेटा हैज बीन रियली रिसीव्ड और नॉट। जो सेंडर ने भेजा था उसको लगता है कि यस व्हाटएवर आई हैव सेंट दैट इज रिसीव्ड, but actually that data is tampered. That is the data which is modified by the third party. So that is why it is called as a data modification. Is it clear? So this is the third one. We'll go to the next one now. The last one. We'll go to the last one. अभी लास्ट वाला जो है that is something different. That is called as denial of service. अभी यहाँ पे क्या होता है? You know that everyone is directly or indirectly accessing the server. जैसे गूगल का सर्वर है, ओके, आप भी अगर किसी को मैसेज भेजना है या फिर आप किसी भी वेबसाइट को अगर आपको ब्राउज करना है या फिर उसको ओपन करना है, एक्चुअली दैट इज थ्रू द सर्वर। लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होता है? हैकर क्या करता है? सो देयर इज अ सेंडर, ओके, ऑन द अदर साइड देयर इज अ सर्वर, ओके, on the other side there is a server, okay, then this server, then you have the third party, okay, you have the third party. So third party क्या कर रही है? हैकर क्या कर रहा है? The hacker will interrupt the services sent by the server. the third party will interrupt the services set by the server on the name of the sender. On the name of the sender. ये sender के नाम से ही, ये sender के नाम से interrupt कर रहा है. The services interrupt the services sent by the server. So whatever the server is giving the service to the sender, that is being interrupted by the third party, by the name of the sender. That is the meaning, by the name of the sender. So in this case, actually, I am blocking or I am interrupting all the services given by the server to the sender. So ऐसे cases में the sender will be the lame. Okay, the sender will be like handicapped, क्योंकि वो service ही use कर नहीं पाएगा server का. So he won't be able to access anything. He won't be able to access anything whatever being served by the server previously, because it has been interrupted to carry out the service. So this is what the third party is doing. This is what the third party is doing, or the hacker is doing. Okay. So this is called as the denial of the service. Denial of the service, or denial of the service. Okay.
Sir, can you please repeat this once again?
Okay. Here यहाँ पे सिनेरियो क्या होता है? यहाँ पे होता है कि सेंडर होता है. अभी सेंडर या फिर आप खुद को भी ले लो, आप कभी भी कोई भी वेबसाइट अगर एक्सेस करते हो, ओके, you can take Flipkart, you can take Amazon, you can take Google. So whatever the websites you open, actually these respective websites have the respective servers. They have the respective servers. Okay. तो अगर हम वो सर्वर को इंटरप्ट करे या फिर हैक करे, तो आप किसी का भी अगर सपोज अमेजोन का आपको वेबसाइट ओपन करना है, तो लेकिन सर्वर ही आपने ऐसा इंटरप्ट कर दिया कि वो सर्वर ही उसको सर्विस नहीं दे पाएगा सेंडर को, तो आप कितने भी कोशिश करो, इवन यू हैव द नेट कनेक्टिविटी एंड इफ यू वांट टू ओपन द अमेजोन वेबसाइट, you won't be able to Amazon because that server is blocked. That server is blocked. Okay, the server is blocked. और third party ने ऐसा किया है कि the third party has interrupted the services by the server जो Amazon का सर्विस दे रहा था ये सेंडर को, तो it has interrupted the services या फिर ब्लॉक कर दिया सर्विसेज on the name of the sender. On the name of the sender का मतलब ये होता है कि whatever the sender was using till now, that has been blocked by the interrupt. That has been blocked by the interrupt. Okay, the example I can give in your internet setting also, you have some option of security that some specific websites you won't be able to open. These particular services are available in all the colleges and schools. Okay, क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्या होता है, students uses the internet service and it might happen they might you open some other unwanted or unauthorized or unethical website. Okay, तो वहाँ पे जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होता है वो क्या करता है, वो पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट को ही ब्लॉक कर देता है. तो what I mean to say that if you are blocking some particular website is nothing but you are not allowing that server to give the service to the sender. You are not allowing the server to give the service to the sender जो अब तक दे रहा था. So you are blocking some of the websites. Okay, so in this case you are actually using the settings and you are changing you are making the server to interrupt the services which was given previously to the sender. That is the mean. I hope you have understood this.
Yes sir, thank you.
सर मतलब सेंडर कुछ रिक्वेस्ट नहीं भेज रहा है क्या?
नहीं, सेंडर कुछ रिक्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. थर्ड पार्टी क्या कर रहा है, थर्ड पार्टी को लग रहा है कि ये पर्टिकुलर जो चीजें है वो सेंडर ने यूज नहीं करनी चाहिए, तो ये क्या करेंगे, वो सर्वर को ही ब्लॉक कर देंगे. ये पार्टी क्या करेंगे, वो सर्विस जो पहले प्रोवाइड कर रहा था सर्वर. ओके, सो व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सर्वर उसको इसलिए कहा जाता है कि बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द सर्विसेज आर कैरीड आउट बाय द सर्वर. ओके, सो ये पार्टी क्या करती है, वो सर्वर को ही ब्लॉक कर देती है क्या, या फिर इसको इंटरप्ट करती है टू गिव द सर्विसेज टू द सेंटर. ओके, तो सेंटर को नहीं समझ में आता कि एक्चुअली हुआ क्या है, ओके, सो दैट इज द वे इन विच यू कैन ब्लॉक सम ऑफ द वेबसाइट. अगर आपको लगता है कि सम ऑफ द वेबसाइट शुड नॉट बी सीन by so and so person, you can change the setting or you can just block the server and you can interrupt the service. That is the way. So this particular scenario you can see in most of the educational institutes, colleges, schools. वहाँ पे already if you want to access, क्योंकि I can give the best example also. कभी क्या होता है colleges में, if you want to book railway tickets, आप IRCTC पोर्टल पे जाते हो, लेकिन कई कॉलेजेस में वो पोर्टल ही ओपन नहीं होता है. आपके मोबाइल पे ओपन करोगे तो ओपन हो जाएगा, लेकिन कॉलेजेस में अगर आप डेस्कटॉप पीसी पे ओपन करोगे तो ओपन नहीं होगा. अगर आप कभी फ्लिपकार्ट को ओपन करना है वो नहीं होगा. because the authority doesn't want you to use the services. Which services? Booking services, railway booking services. Which services? जहाँ पे आप ग्रोसरी या फिर कुछ गैजेट्स खरीद सकते हो, जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजॉन. You cannot use, because college is not the platform. College is not the platform where you can book your railway tickets, where you can buy some stuff. Okay, ये सब करना है तो आप घर पे करो. The college is giving you the the service of internet service for your education purpose, for your education purpose, and not for the other purpose. That is the way how I can explain it. So this is a simple way how I can explain you this particular denial of service. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any question, any doubt in this? Shubham and Janvi.
Yes, sir.
I want to know why there are only 69 students. Starting में पहले 59 थे, बाकी के लोग धीरे धीरे से ज्वाइन किए. वो I want the reason behind that. Okay, and बाकी के लोग क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन किए? Even I want the reason. Is it clear? The next time you give me the reason.
Okay, sir.
You search क्या problem है,
Okay,
क्यों
sir.
ऐसा problem हुआ, and let me know. So I think we can stop here for today.
Yes, sir.
और एक बात
Yes,
है,
sir.
प्रोफाइल चेंज करो.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, तभी मुझे पता चलेगा ना
Yes, sir.
किसका चेहरा किसके नाम से जो ये हो रहा है, नहीं तो मुझे नहीं समझेगा. ठीक है,
ओके सर.
Yes, sir.
ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.
बाय बाय.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Take care.
Bye.